begin at V883.
Before there was sunlight, before worlds or time as we know it, vast clouds of ice and dust drifted in silence. Gravity gathered them inward, and from their collapse, a new star was born, V883 Ori. As the young star flared to life, warmth rippled through its disk. Ancient ice began to glow, releasing invisible vapors of heavy water, molecules older than the star itself. In the dark, each molecule carried a secret mark, 2 atoms of deuterium, glowing faintly blue. A cosmic signature, proof that this water formed long before suns, long before planets dreamed of oceans. Those ancient waters drifted inward, folding into newborn worlds and icy comets. They would one day fall as rain, fill oceans, and whisper across the surfaces of living planets yet unborn. Across the galaxy, countless systems inherit water far older than their suns. The same ancient ice that flowed through V883 Ori still flows through us, the first ingredient for life itself. In every world that forms, water carries the memory of the stars. Our own oceans began the same way, in darkness, long before the sun.